of hellfire, and I bring you fire!
Well, you might be thinking, what's Arthur Brown and that fire song got to do with me in a wood floor in Hartlepool? Well, let me tell you. So, he's actually graced the boards of this dance hall many times, and it was my turn to walk the boards and sand this floor. Like, look at the state of it. That song came out, by the way, in 1968, and I don't think these floorboards have been treated since then. There's all sorts on them. We're talking ground in alcohol, ground in soil, probably makeup, God knows what else. And yeah, it was in an absolute state. So I had to get the old belt sander out on it, cross-cutting it, which was quite a challenge, to be honest. Because of the residue was sugary and sticky, it was gumming up the belt. So I had to go through quite a few belts before this really started to sort of take any shape. Quite a few hours actually working on this. So, but the result was good, and after a while we started to get somewhere. But as you can see, it's taking its time. But yeah, I mean, look at the state of that. Absolute nightmare. At this stage, in all fairness, I thought I took bitten off more than I could chew. So we're cross sanding here to level the floor. And oh my God, it was really starting to stress me out. But then as you could start to see the pine boards cleaning up and the old coating coming off, then I was obviously at ease. I was starting to panic, to be honest, because it just wasn't coming off, no matter how hard I hit it. But these things are meant to try us and sent to try us. So yeah, anyway, this is now looking like a really clean dance floor, massive difference from what it was, and I'm feeling better too. So much so, I'm starting to speed up on the job, because yeah, I can start to feel tea time coming on. So what did we coat it with? So it was a clear coat matte lacquer, but not just any lacquer. This was a 2K lacquer to add protection, so that it lasts for many years to come. The customer was over the moon with this job. He stayed with me throughout the process, and he was very, very interested in what I was doing, and an overall nice guy, to be honest. Even invited me to one of the Noel Gallagher tribute nights, which I will be attending. So that was the job. This is the final look just before I was leaving. So this is at its third coat now, and yeah, as I say, customer was over the moon. It looked massively different, and I've seen some of the gigs that have played on it. There's me rocking out. So thanks for watching. If you need any work doing, drop me a message. I'm on WhatsApp.